Hey, what up, guys? All right, so we're starting off today working on the GTI. Boom, GTI. We're putting that in. So we got my cooler works shifter. So we've already started working on it a little bit. So let me get you caught up to date. Here we go, guys. So we cut the exhaust, got the manifold out because we're going to be doing a custom downpipe. So don't need those anymore, anyways. And as you can see, there's our shift box right there. Got some nice grease on me now. But, and then your shift box is right there. So, alright guys, let's get to it. Knock this out, get it off, and then we can put the other one in. So here we go. Alright guys, so that shift linkage bolt for the box is going to be a 13. So grab yourself a 13, and then we're going to get at that bolt and pull it down. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're up underneath the car. You got your two bolts in the back there. So those ones right there are the 13 mil. So we're going to get those 13 mil out, and then we're going to drop this thing. So here we go, guys. Then you got the two nuts up here. So you got to knock those nuts off, and then we're at it. So, alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, so back at it. So I took my Diesel Geeks bushing out right here. It was right here. Pulled that off. Pulled the clip off, got the linkage out. So everything else in here is brand new, which is kind of sad, but whatever, we're upgraded. Part of the game, you know. But, so we're working on this, and the bushing's right there, linkage is in, got to get the other one hooked up, and we'll be good to go. But here we go, guys. So linkage, everything. Then just gotta hook that back in and we're good. Might put some silicone around this just to keep it good so no water or anything gets up in it. Not that I drive this car in the rain, but just for some extra protection. But here we go, guys, coming along. All right guys, what's up? Can't hear out of this ear right now. Have a small ear infection, have antibiotics. So that's why it's been taking me a while to get this video uploaded, but let's get back to it. I'll show you what's going on right now. All right guys, so we pulled it up out of the bottom, got the two bolts in the front, had to disconnect this and the bottom part. You can't see my finger right here too, had to disconnect both of those. So got to put the bolt on right here, and then we're good to go. Tighten these bolts down, put the screws in the back here, and the cooler works shifter's in. What do you guys think? Cool? All right, here we go.